HCL Technologies has always been an innovative and progressive organization in transforming industries and ecosystems. For almost 5 decades now, we have been continuously striving to create sustainable solutions and innovative business strategies to address the customer's evolving business demands. HCL, from its roots of being a garage startup, provided ample opportunities to its employees, whom we call ideapreneurs, to identify and solve extraordinary technological, market, societal challenges as the macro and microeconomic scenarios of various industries keep evolving. One such industry is manufacturing, which is going through a rapid evolution fueled by challenges arising from multiple frontiers like supply chain disruptions, servitized markets, evolved customer buying patterns, Industry 4.0. All of these have seen further acceleration due to the pandemic. We now see manufacturers adopt digital technologies to bring speed and flexibility in how they operate while using data insights to become even more business aware, creating immense opportunities to sustainable and cost-efficient business models.
We looked at creating a comprehensive framework for the manufacturing industry through MVision, which is built on the principles of a hyper-connected, digitally enabled enterprise. The MVision framework allows the organization to think from 4 foundational pillars to adopt and deploy solutions across the entire value chain, focusing on people, process, and technology. At the core of MVision framework is MVision for Nucleus, powered by the critical components of Industry 4.0 that focuses on creating an intelligent ecosystem. MVision has been constructed to provide visibility from shop floor to top floor by integrating the broader ecosystem of customers, partners, and employees. The integration allows organizations to tap into opportunities to increase the top line through new business models and improve bottom line by breaking silos. The MVision transformational framework is built on 4 foundational pillars: MVision for business, MVision for digital, MVision for engineering, and MVision for operations.
We aim to provide a new lens to look at manufacturing from an entirely new perspective. These pillars of MVision are made for the new era of growth, change, and the opportunity to help organizations achieve a competitive advantage. Our goal is beyond the principles of make better things to make things better. MVision for business helps define and execute digital process and business strategies to enhance customer, partner, and employee experiences. It aims to build systems that drive business transformation to create process optimization, experience, and product orientation. MVision for digital helps design and build the platforms that use AI, ML, and other capabilities for creating mechanisms within our customers' technology footprint to empower their digital transformation journey established through our earlier MVision for business.
The traditional ways of looking at a business operating model in isolation needs fresh thinking to accelerate change and transformation. MVision for engineering focuses on assisting manufacturers in accelerating product development by leveraging their latest technologies, monetizing their product services, and providing immersive customer experiences. We aim to keep sanity over transformation while ensuring extreme automation, continuous improvement, and cost optimization through the scale of services. MVision for operations provides an integrated applications and infrastructure services in a high-velocity, software-driven, agile operating model. MVision for Nucleus is the heartbeat of transformation. It creates a hyper-connected environment through connected assets, connected products that drive digital transformation across the connected value chain of the manufacturing industry.
We at HCL are determined to invest in your roadmap. We aim to help you adopt new technologies with great confidence and complete transparency. Together, we can bring to life the technology for the next decade today.